Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing my life and what I'm doing right now.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I empower women to believe in themselves by rediscovering their worth. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm so my video can reach more people. So this has been such a challenge for me, and if you are not new to my channel, if you're an OG, you know that I love challenges. I love challenging myself as often as I can, just so I can push myself and just see what it is that I can and can't do. So first, I started off I used to eat 3 times a day, and I was doing intermittent fasting, so I was eating between 12 and 8. Sometimes it was between 1 and 9. It was just during an 8-hour time period. And no, I wasn't being strict like some people are when it comes to intermittent fasting. I just wanted to wait, I guess, to eat. And so I decided to do it. I just wanted to try it. So I was reading Jay Shetty's book. If you haven't checked out his book, go check it out. It's Jay Shetty, and it's called Think Like a Monk. Such a good book. But in there, he discusses them challenging themselves as far as fasting. And so I wanted to try it. But I wasn't down for the whole fasting just off rip, I wanted to ease my way into it. So for I think 3 or 4 days, I went down to eating twice a day. And then after 3 or 4 days, I ate once a day for 2 days. And then yesterday was my first day of fasting, water fasting. Oh my gosh. It wasn't as hard yesterday as it is today. But I would notice myself throughout the day oh, I'm hungry. What am I going to go eat? And then I'm like, water. I only can drink water. So I've been drinking plenty of water. Yesterday I drank 4 of these, and this may not seem big to you, but this is 32 ounces. And this got me through my day yesterday. So the thing with yesterday was just that it was a challenge for me because I was like, oh, I want to eat. And I couldn't. Or I was choosing not to, I should say. And my sister put me on to, I was already watching mukbangs, and I have mukbangs. Go check them out. I have a playlist of them. But so she was like, oh, when she did her fasting, because she's done it before, she did it for, I think, 2.5 days or something like that. But when she did it, she watched mukbangs, and that helped her get through. And it was a good time, but now I'm really craving nachos. I really want to make my own nachos and put some Taco Bell sauce on it. So I'm just thinking of all the food that I'm going to eat when I'm done with this. And that's another thing, is that I have to be extremely mindful when I do begin eating, because I am not consuming food now. When I'm done, it's like going to the grocery store when you're hungry. You end up just freaking grabbing everything that's in sight that just looks good. And I don't want to do that when I am done with this fast. So I'm nervous, but I know that I can do it. I pretty much can do anything I set my mind to. And so that's what I'm going to keep telling myself. This is for a purpose. It's to challenge myself, and I know that I'm going to be better off for it. I'm going to appreciate food more, and it's I'm empathizing with people who don't just get to eat whenever they want. So today, like I said, it's been a struggle. I've had where I feel like I'm going to throw up. And I asked my sister, I was like, did you throw up when you did your fasting? Because she said day 2 was really hard, because it's your body knows that it's not going to get food, because it didn't get food yesterday. It was just okay, I'll give you more time type of thing. And then today it's okay, this trick is not feeding me. Why isn't she feeding me? So I was feeling nauseous and I was feeling lightheaded a lot easier. And I was scared to drink water because when I was feeling nauseous, I was like, well, I don't want to drink water and then end up getting sick because I'm drinking water. So I just held off until it went away. And I think it's going to be coming and going as far as that feeling. But right now I feel fine. My energy is low and I ain't doing a yoga today. And mind you, since I was eating once a day for 2 days, I haven't eaten since, what is today? Today is Wednesday. So then Tuesday is my first day. So I haven't eaten since Monday I think I finished eating at 3:34. Let's just go with 4 just to be safe. So I haven't eaten since 4 o'clock Monday p.m. 4 o'clock p.m. Monday. And it's a struggle, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. This is me convincing myself. It's going to be fine. I was originally only going to do 2 days, and then my sister was like, no, you should do 3 days because like you get the benefits of it, like as health wise. So now I'm doing 3 days. Also, I'm getting my teeth pulled tomorrow. I have 2 teeth over here that need to be removed, and this is going to test my confidence so much because my teeth, my smiles specifically, are my favorite physical feature on me. And so there's gonna be, I smile pretty big, so there's gonna be like just darkness right here. And so I'm going to do my best to still smile and not look at myself as like, close your mouth. So I'm excited. I'm excited because I'm going to be tested. And this is going to be empty for like 4 months because it has to take 4 months to heal. And then I'll be getting implants put in them. And so if you are somebody who doesn't take care of your teeth, please take care of them. I brush mine every single day, but I wasn't brushing my teeth twice a day. I wasn't making sure to brush my teeth or rinse my mouth out after I eat something sweet, because apparently it's not the sweets that you're eating, it's the fact that it's sitting on your teeth for so long afterwards. So brush your teeth, rinse your mouth out after you eat sweets, and floss, because I don't floss regularly, and before I was only brushing my teeth, like I said, once a day. So now ever since I went to the dentist, I've been brushing my teeth twice a day and flossing regularly as well. And also the rinsing of the mouth after I eat sweets. Trust me, you don't want to be in this position where you got to get fillings, root canals, and extractions. It's not cheap, and it's also not a good time. Do your best to be able to keep your real teeth all in your mouth. But yeah, so that's happening. I'm still coaching, so if you're interested in one-on-one coaching, I am offering one-on-one coaching. There'll be a link in the description below to set up a connection call to see if what you're struggling with, disbelief in yourself, lack of confidence, overthinking, if those are things that you're dealing with, I can help you with that. So definitely click the link in the description below. But yeah, I'm doing one-on-one coaching. I'm holding off on having a coach for my business. So I'm holding off on getting a business coach, but it's not stopping me because YouTube has tutorials on everything. And so the purpose of business coaches is to, number one, have somebody hold you accountable. And that's like literally every coach, to have somebody hold you accountable, to receive a different perspective, and then like an outside eye. So that way, if you have a question on something that you're going to post, or if you have a question on a program, you'll have somebody that you can look to help you with that, and to alter where they may feel it needs to be altered. So I'm waiting on that, but I'm going to do it because their program is pretty freaking dope and I want to be a part of it. So I want to be part of their community. And that's another thing, is that when you have a coach, you are stepping into a community of people that are dealing with what you're either dealing with or just on their own journey with something similar to you. And so it's good to have people like that so that way you can continue to grow. So yeah, I am living in Georgia still. For anybody who follows me for the purpose of traveling, I haven't traveled in a while. I miss it like freaking crazy, and I'm just ready to get back out there and travel again. But number one, I want my business to be on a different level than it is now, and two, COVID. So just gotta wait. It's all good. I am going traveling for Christmas, so that'll be fun. I'm going with my sisters. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Yeah, this fasting has been a struggle, but I know I'm gonna get through it. Mind you, my sister thought that I was going on my fast today, and so yesterday she bought me sushi. Can't even say that. She bought me sushi, and she bought me these vegan muffins. They look so good. They look so good. And I was like, don't touch them. I'm gonna eat them when I'm done with my fast. They'll still be good, and even if they look a little sketch, I'm still gonna eat them. I was hungry when I said this, but it's only a 3-day fast, so I know it's not gonna be like bad by the time I need to eat them, you know, tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. But yeah, so I have my teeth pulling tomorrow. Friday is when I will eat some soups, some smoothies, but you can't use a straw, I don't think. I hope this video wasn't like boring for you. I just wanted to speak on what I am going through and the challenge that I have put in front of me, and I just want to say thank you, Jay Shetty, for putting this challenge in front of me, because it's interesting. When I was slowly decreasing the amount of times I was eating in a day, I was so much more appreciative of my food, and I did eat slower because I'm like, this is the only meal I'm gonna get today, or this is the last meal I'm getting today. So I was just like, I want to savor it, I want to appreciate it, and it's a really good challenge to do. Again, I'm not a dietitian. Make sure you check with your doctor or your dietitian if this video has encouraged you to fast. It's on you. It's on you. I just want to make that disclaimer. I definitely recommend that you challenge yourself in some kind of way, shape, or form. Make time for creativity and make time for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more, and also the notification bell so you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. Stay tuned for the videos that will be recommended after this, and I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Hit the thumbs up button for the algorithm and share it with your family and friends. Always remember to be love, be peace, be positive, spread love everywhere you go, and always, always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.